Hello guys, so I just wanted to share this story with you guys. So I just returned back from my trip where I went for my psychiatry clinical rotations, and this is how I found my house. So actually I have done some arrangement a little bit because everything was scattered, and I just tried to do some cleaning and packaging of my clothes that were here. So I came back this morning from my clinical rotations, which was out of town, and in my surprise I found my door was not locked. Like, I had the keys with me, but when I arrived here the door was completely open, and when I entered inside, this is what I was received with. So right at this place here was my kitchen counter, or a kitchen table where I used it for cooking, and at this place here is where I was putting my organizer, my kitchen organizer, and it's where I was arranging all of my utensils, and I found them gone, like totally gone. So my utensils were just like left on the ground scattered, and my fan, which used to be at this place here, my standing fan, has also been stolen, and I guess they were not able to take the sofa with them because it is very heavy. It took me hours to just get inside of this room. As you can see, the door is not that wide, so I think that the sofa was a little bit much for them, and I just don't understand the mentality of these thieves, because they also took my mattress. As you can see, I just replaced it with a cheap one. It is very thin, and since I'll be using it temporarily, I think that's okay. So I just wanted to share with you guys this incident that happened to me, and yeah, I was very eager to like create content for you guys because I've been away for almost a month. It was a month, and I was like, I need to create content as soon as possible for my audience, and this is what I am received with. I'm very much disappointed. I'm very much heartbroken because every time I'm trying to like make a step forward, I feel like being pulled back 2 steps backward, and it's very disappointing. So I'm very distressed, I'm very emotionally unstable, and I think I will have to figure out how I will work with this kitchen area for the meanwhile, until when I'll be able to like purchase another kitchen cabinet and a kitchen organizer. So this is what I want to share with you guys, and just let you know that I'm back from my psychiatry clinical rotations. I have already unpacked, and those there are my bags. Most of my clothes I have returned them in the wardrobe, and some of them are dirty, so I will have to like do some laundry later on when I have the energy. So that was all for today. Until the next one, bye.